So let us now assemble this Stylux ergo office chair. So as you can see, this particular armrest, this is all pre-fitted, these things, plus this seat mechanism, armrest, you can see it in the picture. First you have to remove this long bar. This is a plastic thing, so you just have to remove by using the Allen key. This one, then 2, 3 and 4. These two are little smaller bolts and these two are little longer one, so you have to be keep it separate, these two and these two separate. Okay, and after removing it, the assembly will look like this after removing the long plastic bar. And after removing it, see, you can see 2 more bolts. So remove these 2 more bolts. See, after I have removed it, and now what I'm doing, I'm sliding this particular thing, this particular backrest. As I said before, this whole backrest assembly, I am inserting it through these 2 slots. Okay, it is little heavier, but it is manageable. I'm sliding it. After sliding it, this particular 2 slots, not slots, 2 holes. Okay, it will align it in here. I'll show it in the next picture. See, it is aligned, and I am inserting the bolts. Okay, and after inserting, hand tightening, and use your Allen key in the next, you tight it. And while tightening, I would say put your hand here to give sufficient support, so the tightening will be very much easier. And after tightening, the next step is to insert the long rod which we removed. Okay, so here you can notice in the long rod there is one portion of the it is little lengthier as compared with the next, compared with the other side. Okay, as you can see, this is the longer one, and this is the longer one, and this is the shorter one. So you need to be a little careful. It should not be in the other way. When you are placing it here in this particular backrest. Okay, so maybe chances are that this will come here or this will come in the other side. So you can see that when you are placing it, it will be properly placed. Okay, no need to worry about that. Otherwise, it will be it will be having a play. So you just have to place it appropriately, or keep it this one here, so you can see it will be properly placed. Okay, and after properly placing, you have to use the bolts to sufficiently secure it. Okay, don't use too much force, or don't use too much less force. In mechanical terms we will say torque. Okay, don't use too much torque. Okay, use sufficient. That's the purpose, the Allen key, just a sufficient, because don't give too much force on the Allen key to tight the bolts. It will damage this plastic rod. Here comes the next thing, the base mechanism. So this is the base mechanism, you can see. So first we are going to do with some there is some plastic. See, this is the plastic caster, that's what the company is saying. So just slide it, you can see, just slide it on top of that. After sliding, it will be looking like as it is. And after that, you have to put the gas lift. This is the gas lift. This is the smaller diameter, and this is the higher diameter end of the gas lift. So you have to place this higher end into, I'll just show you the next one. See, the higher end is sliding through this what we say base. Okay, through this base I'm just sliding it. There is no securing mechanism here, just you have to slide it, this gas lift. So the smaller diameter gas lift, it is on the upper side. And after doing that, what you have to do, just place your assembled this backrest, as I have already assembled with the seat mechanism. You can see it's a fully assembled. So this particular thing you have to just place it on top of that. Here is also no securing mechanism, no bolt or no what we say bolt, nut, nothing is there, fastener, nothing is there. Just place it on top of this particular gas lift. Okay. And next step is that we need to fit the headrest. This is the headrest, and in here you can see headrest having a plastic bag. It is so these things you have to remove, this particular two bolts. Removing these this packet contains some plastic, okay, plastic fairing. It is to attach here after assembly. Here it will be small hole will be there in order to give a little good presentation. We need to attach this particular plastic fairing. We have to put it in here. I'll show you in the next. Yeah, so I just removed that particular see, I just removed from the plastic. So this will be the end result. After removing, you have to just slide it, this entire assembly from here. You have to slide it. That plastic fairing which I told, it is kept it in here. I kept it in here there. I just slide it. Okay, just use sufficient force. It will go in between. No, you no need to panic. It won't break at all. It is having sufficient strength and sufficient flexibility also. It can easily come down. So you have to slide it. So this particular plastic, it will align with this particular plastic, and the bolt is also bolt slot is also you can see in this through this particular hole, you can see. And you use your Allen key to secure these two bolts. And this is the slot I said, we have to insert that particular plastic fairing which I just told you. You have to insert the plastic fairing here. So after inserting, this will be the end result. Yeah, so fitment is completed. Thank you.